Hi, mathematicians. We're going to continue our work with subtraction with multi-digit addition numbers. Let's start with a number talk warm-up today. Keep in mind, as you work along, you can pause the video at any time to show your thinking on paper, on a tablet, on a white erase board, on an easel you have, on a chalkboard wall you might have. Be creative. All right, let's start here. Look at the first picture. How many donuts are there in the whole box? Pause the video now, draw your thinking, or turn and tell someone near you at your house how many you see. And how many are in the whole box. Now, if you look over here, do you still have the same thinking? How do you know what you know? Draw a picture to show what you know. Take a picture and post it on Seesaw, or turn and tell someone next to you. How do you know what you know? Pause the video. Okay, mathematicians, how many would there be if you had 3 of these boxes? I can't wait to see your thinking on Seesaw. Remember, anytime you post something to Seesaw that shows your thinking, in the caption, label what it connects to. So for today's caption, you might write something like 4.17. I think there are blank donuts in the box because your caption could look just like our sentence stem at the bottom of the page. Okay, Mabs, as soon as you finish that warm-up, let's move on to today's lesson. Today's target. I can add up to solve unknown addend word problems. If you look at this equation right here, Mavs, what do we call this? That's right. It's an addend. 2 numbers you add together in an addition equation are an addend. When you add them together, you find the sum. So Mavs, what is one way that you could possibly find the missing addend in this equation? Think about what information do we already know and what information do we need to find out. One way you could think about this is by drawing the number line strategy that we've been working on in school. I would start at 67 because that's the addend I already have. And I need to figure out how many jumps I will make to total 165. I think I'm going to make a jump of 40 because I know 60 plus 40 is 100. I use what I know about my combinations to 10 to figure that out. So 67 plus 40 means I would land on 107. Now I need to figure out the difference between 107 and 165. I'm going to do a small jump of 3 so that I can get to a really friendly number. Now I'm at 110 right here, and I can quickly and easily jump to 165. So 110 plus another 10 is 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. So if I jump up 50 more, I'm going to be at 160. And I need 5 more ones to get to 165. Maps, how much did we add up or jump up to get to our sum? Turn and talk to someone around you, or write your thinking on a piece of paper or whatever surface you're working on. Okay, Mavs, how do we use what we know